What's the meaning of cotton wool? Cotton wool. Cotton wool.
Cotton wool. Cotton wool. Cotton wool refers to the fluffy, malleable material made from cotton fibers that is commonly used for cleaning wounds or as padding in various applications. It can also be used as a metaphorical term to describe someone who is overly protected or sheltered from the harsh realities of life. The result is a soft and gentle material that effectively absorbs moisture and provides cushioning for sensitive areas. However, overuse or misuse of cotton wool can lead to negative consequences, such as delay in wound healing or stunted personal growth.